friends, welcome to my channel Rafi Automation. Friends, today in this video I am going to talk about VLC 1600. It's Alerton controller is used to control the FCU, AHU or other equipments in the building. Friends, you can guess from the model 1600 is having only 16 number inputs. There is no output in this model controller. So friends, as you can see, there is mentioned in common, in 1, in 2, in 3. So we are having it started from in 0 till in 15. So we are having total 16 inputs. Friends, this is the in 0 and this is the common, will be used for in 0 and in 2 as well, and this is again common, and this is the in 3 and in 4. So this common will be used for in 3 and in 4, and this is the common, and this is 24 volt DC. Friends, this N can be dry contact, and this can be 0 to 10 volt DC, and this can be 0.5 volt DC or 4 to 20 milliamps. This can be thermistor or dry contact. So these are the things you can connect on this terminal, but you have to change the jumper setting. As you can see we have jumpers on the inputs. On some inputs you will find four pins, and you can configure the jumper. If jumper is on terminal 1 and 2, you have to connect on the input thermistor or dry contact. So you can use only dry contact or thermistor if your jumper is on terminal 1 and 2. If your jumper is on terminal 2 and 3, now you can use this you can apply on the input 0 to 5 volt DC or 0 or 4 to 20 milliamps. And same, if jumper is on terminal 3 and 4, this will be used for 0 to 10 volt DC. Friends, this is very important. You must know what are you going to connect at the input of the controller. So you must change these settings. And next, you can see here, this is the terminal 1, terminal 2, 3 and 4. Now my setting is 1 and 2. So I am using this for the dry contact. Dry contact means there will be no voltage, no current. Only you can use this for as a status purpose. So friends, down you can see other inputs as well. And friends, here the input, here you can see the inputs. I will show you the clear image. Terminal number 17 and 18 is used for backnet MSTP. This is the connection used for communication purpose, and I will show you here. These are the two cables here, the black and the white cable, the clear. These two cables is connected with 17 and 18, and one is the plus data and one is the minus data, and it is used for the backnet MSTP. This is the protocol of network communication. Backnet MSTP stands for Building Automation and Control Networks. Master slave token passing is a type is a way to pass the information from this controller to the next global controller. So these all the controllers are connected. You can see I have many controllers, so all the controllers are having communication cable and its loop going from one controller to another controller, then from the second to third controller, and the same cable is a serial bus communication system. Is only two cables are just loops from one controller to another controller. And friends, now the next thing here is the address. Here is the address of the controller. You must change the address. In one network, each controller is having a different address, a unique address. If all the devices are connected to one circuit, to the one network, so there must not be any duplicate number in the system, otherwise you cannot find your controller. So friends, here you can set your address from these DP switches. It started the number how you can configure. So the first will show you 1. If the first number is on, means the number of your controller is 1. If the second is on and other are off, means the controller number is 2. So you have to count like 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So total are 7 switches. You can add the numbers and you can make any number between 64. So you can how many around 128 or 164 something you can connect in one network. So this all you can add if you want to make any number. Suppose you want to make the controller number 3, so you can on number 1 and 2. If you want to fix the controller number as 4, so other should be off and you can use only number 3, because 3 is designed for 4, because 1, 2, 4. So number 3 switch will be work for number 4, and the next is 8. If you want to select the number 8, so other off and number 4 you can switch on. So this is how you can set the number for the controller. So friends, this is how you can configure your Alerton VLC 600. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If there is anything, please mention in the comment.